Yep. Fucked it up. Whoops. Woo! Counterweight, baby. Tonight fucking sucks, but it's still kind of fun. YOLO! Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's not really a video I really wanted to make, but I'm gonna make it. I guess it happens to the best of us. Check it out. Kind of messed up my car a little bit the other night. Came into a pretty heavy washy turn, a little too hot, slid out straight into the wall. Couple scratches on the body, couple scratches on the carbon fiber. That's probably the most hurtful part right there. But body's okay, frame's okay. Just a front end swap, so just another reason to upgrade it, I guess. So there's that truck I just bedlined the other day. Should have made a video out of that one, but I didn't, unfortunately. So check it out. So came across a full set of Super ATV high clearance tube A-arms. Got the new axle, got the new tie rod shaft, cleaning them up. This one, starting to sand it down. And then I got a little hanger system set up in the backyard. I'm gonna paint them. I don't really have time to powder coat for these, but I might upgrade the suspension here in a little bit anyway, get the HZR kit. So I just need to get these white to match, get them back on there, and get the car ready to go for this weekend. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I went ahead and sanded it all down, scuffed it up. Some 60 grit sandpaper. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe them down. And some paint cleaner so they're clean, oil free, and I'm gonna go hang them up. And for today, for these, since we're on a time crunch here, don't really have time for powder coat, I'm gonna just spray them, paint and primer, get them white again, get them to match the car, and get them on. All right, so here we go. All of them fully sanded down, all of them wiped down with paint cleaner. Ready to go. Let's go ahead and spray them. All right, so here we go. All painted white. Turned out good. Got a couple coats on them. Let's see here on this side. Gonna go ahead and let them dry. We're gonna go ahead and tear down the RZR and get it ready to go. All right, everybody, so here we are. Got it fully disassembled, got everything off, got the new tie rod shaft on. Had to switch the boots were different on the part that I got. I cleaned it all up, I brake cleaned it, I've got all the sand out of there, so I plugged it while I cleaned it all. So every single nut and bolt here, including the brake caliber bolts, everything was a 15. So that made it nice and simple and easy. So now we're gonna go ahead and continue to start reassembly. Like I said, this one's done already, so that's done. And then I got the ball joint pressed in here, so we're gonna go ahead and get this arm on there, and then we're gonna move to the upper. All right, guys, so another quick explanation here. You are also gonna have to move the ball joints because the other arms don't come with it. So all you do is you throw it in a press, stick the socket over the other end. Well, I guess you do it. First you just press that one out, but then when you go to press it in, you put that in there. So you press it in and you have something solid to set it on. I'll go ahead and time lapse it so you can kind of see it. All right, guys, so here we go. Next morning, got her all done. Go ahead and check it out here. Got both sides in. Everything fit perfectly. Everything was nice. Got the tie rod in, got the axle in. Everything's in, everything's good to go. So now we're gonna go ahead and take it back out this weekend. See if we can do a little bit better this time. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace out.